cookie runners. I'm bored, so I will be reacting to some videos recommended by the Wild Spices. If they're not interesting, I will not hesitate to crush them to dust. We don't need any more content creators on Earthbread. We need content destroyers! I'm gonna wreck it! Let's see what we have here. The first video is Tutorial to Cookie Run Kingdom from the official Cookie Run Kingdom YouTube channel. What? Tutorial content? Ha! I already know how this game works! Next! Heartwarming family moments in Cookie Run Kingdom? Ugh. Not sure about the title. It better entertain me.
Dark Choco Cookie, what have you done?
This is fun!
Father! Leave. Never come back. Tell me, why have you returned? You here to ask
This
for
will
my
be entertaining!
I had no choice but to come here. I am here for the Soul Jam.
You do not deserve the You are no son of mine.
Attack!
Not the great king we all thought you were.
Yes!
Nothing without its power.
Nothing lasts forever, especially love!
No one can survive falling from this height. Was this my destiny all along? The king, this entire kingdom, decimated by my own hand.
Who is this Dark Choco Cookie? He seems like a formidable opponent!
What a waste.
That was refreshing! Not bad. What video should I react to next? Oh, ho ho ho. Yes, Earthbread's greatest crash-outs. It has one of my favorite words, crash. I also like burn, and destroy, devastate. Anyways, on to the video.
How dare you!
Oh, it's that yapping clown.
Tricked me! Ah! Give back my soul jam! You traitor! Liar! Ah! I will destroy you!
The master of deceit got tricked by the softest cookie on Earthbread? I always knew he was all talk! Ha!
This cannot be. Come back, my soul jam!
Ha! Get a load of this
What is
guy!
lost? How could my own soul jam leave me so? You always spoke to me, did you not? Please, say something. Anything. I am your rightful owner. I have sealed you in my possession by fighting the two dragons.
This dark cacao cookie fella has some real anger issues, and that's coming from me!
I beg of you to stay with me!
He should have destroyed the entire pagoda, fueled by his anger! IMO skill issue!
I will not let you go. You will not set foot outside my garden. No other cookie on all of Earthbread understands you like I do. Please.
This is the happiness she keeps preaching about? Pathetic. There is no greater happiness than the joy of destruction!
Must I beg you? Don't leave! Don't leave! Don't leave! Don't leave! Don't leave! Don't leave!
This obsession, how nauseating. Enough drinking mold juice, Eternal Sugar Cookie! Breathe in the spice! Next! Oh, I shall relish this.
Sherbet Cookie, it's me. I brought you a warm cotton blanket and some snow mushrooms too.
Bored.
How are you feeling?
So bored.
Yeah, and I can't hide it anymore. When I touch a glass, it gets covered with frost. Maybe it's time the Frost Witch came for me.
At some point, every living thing will see its demise. Sorry to break it to you.
The voice, it keeps calling me. I can't wait any longer. I must.
Sherbet Cookie, no! Don't go!
Oh, boo-hoo! Sucks to suck. Your destruction shall be my greatest pleasure! Ha 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 ha!
What did you do to my friend?
Not a thing. It is merely the time for this child's life to become one with snow once more.
This way. For me. Forgive me. I left without saying goodbye. Now I must go. It's time for us to part ways. Cotton Cookie.
What? This isn't a satisfying destruction. Just crumbling into thin air? Boring. Where's the thrill? Didn't even have an ounce of fight in him. Huh, pathetic. Watching the tides of change was entertaining until it wasn't. That's all the videos I want to watch today. Time to go break some stuff. If you want me to react more, then don't hit the subscribe button. Don't like the video, and absolutely don't comment. No one can tell me what to do. Now go away!